rotors and wires and spark plugs and map sensor and for the code and all that stuff, and fix a vacuum leak. If you get a code where it blinks once or twice and then goes away and then flash again, that indicates you have a bad oxygen sensor as well. But this end is up. Gauge cluster got to get replaced. They hit a speed bump, so the tach gauge stopped working at 95,000 miles, but it's got 97,000 miles as I counted. 97,000 miles on the new transmission and motor. It does not have the stereo system in it, but everything's pretty much gutted. It's gutted for work.